What do you see? Look closer, even closer. Can't you see it? No? I'll tell you what I see. I don't see a blank canvas. I see a rabbit. A white rabbit in a snowstorm. Hidden in plain sight. Invisible, but always there. Always there.
You're driving, aren't you?
Yeah.
Good. Because I can't get left in the morning.
Yeah.
What was that about?
Some people, eh?
Yeah, well, maybe she should watch where she's going.
Whoa, calm down. Just let it go. Why are you so angry all the time?
Hey, what are you doing? That was not cool.
Yeah. Did you get the tickets?
I couldn't get them.
You had one job to get those tickets.
I'm sorry, okay?
Yeah, but do you know how long I've been waiting for this show? And you just fucked it all up.
I'm sorry, I tried my hardest.
Yeah, well, clearly that wasn't good enough.
Oh, look what you've done now.
Yeah, well, I wouldn't have had to show if she'd have got the bloody tickets.
Stop being so selfish. Come on, Penny. Let's get you home.
Fine. Fuck you then. What, you even listening? I might as well be invisible.
Hello, Claire.
What? Where are you?
Right here.
Okay, how'd you do that?
You're a little white rabbit, so lost in time. You lost track of everything, including your mind.
What do you mean? Who are you?
I am the one who will change you, for better or for worse.
What's happening? What are you doing? Stop it! No! Stop it!
Yeah, you're right, mate.
Yeah, you're right.
See the game then?
Yeah, it was good, wasn't it?
It wasn't too bad, was it?
I thought we got a good result, to be honest. I mean, we played pretty well.
Yeah, we didn't do too bad, but good improve.
Who's you got on in the match anyway?
I'll go with George Friend.
George Friend.
Yeah. Always. How's your player doing at the minute?
I don't know. I mean, I love her and all. She's just been a bit of a bitch lately. I mean, like the other day she flipped out over just like some tickets, and I was with Penny, and she really upset her. So I don't know. It's just been a bit funny. I mean,
Mate, take it from me. You know I never get on with her.
Yeah.
Can't get on with her all. I mean, you could do so much better than her.
Do you think?
Yeah.
I'm standing right here, dickhead.
Hey, mate. Got a lesson I've got to go to. Anyway, see you later.
Alright, see you later.
See you later. Bye.
See ya.
Luke? Ow! What the hell?
Hello? Hiya. Yeah, I'm okay. How are you? No, I've not seen Claire. No. Yeah, I'll keep an eye out for her.
I'm right here.
I mean, her car's outside. I don't know if you.
Yeah, I'm right here.
Yeah. Sorry, if you. Oh, okay. Yeah. Yeah, well, like I said, I'll keep an eye out for her. So. All right. Yeah. See you, mate. Bye. Yeah, bye.
Hey,
Oh, hey Lucy.
how are you feeling?
Could be better. Me and Claire had a falling out yesterday.
You okay?
Yeah, it's just... I don't know what to do. I tried to get those damn tickets so badly, but it's just been so hard for my family. First my dad lost his job, and my payments just aren't enough. I don't know what to do.
I'm so sorry. I should have known. It'll be okay. Just go home and rest. Everything will turn out okay. You know, you were pretty mean, considering everything that she was going through. By the way, you might want to sort out your temper. Ow! Who are you? Are you behind this? Look, this isn't funny. What did you do? It's like no one can see me. It's like I'm invisible. Why is this happening to me? What did I do? I mean, I know that I treat them badly, but I care about them. This is torture. They can't even see me.
Hey! Did you hear that?
No.
Listen, if you guys can hear me, please, I need you.
Maybe it's just the wind.
Yeah.
Yeah.
It took everything.
What's the
from my
point?
paycheck
They
just
can't
to
even
get-
hear
Was it
me.
really worth it? Claire!
You can see me? Are you okay? I am now.
Are you sure you're okay? You still haven't talked about what happened 2 days ago.
Yeah, no, I'm fine. Don't worry. It's just my phone died and I needed a bit of space, you know?
Oh, okay, well, you still should have... It's Jack. Yeah, I'll tell him that.
No, it's fine.
Are you sure?
Yeah, go on.
Okay. I'll see you. Go.
What do you want? Haven't you had enough of toying with me? Look, I'll be a better person.
I know you will. This is farewell. You will not remember me or anything that happened to you.
Wait, before you do anything, just answer me. Who are you?
Claire! Claire!